Let's make some banana fritters. Start by getting some overripe banana, then go ahead and smash out the banana. Let's eat nice and good and wonderful. Then go ahead and add some vanilla and some cinnamon. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. If you want to see the full version of this video, check out my YouTube channel. Then go ahead and add some sugar. Then I went ahead and added that flour. Yes, people. Nice and good. Then I add some milk. The milk is optional. Yes, people. Then I go ahead and mix it up. Then I go ahead and add some oil to my pot. Then I cut my fritters in, and then I'm gonna fry them up. Yes, people, nice and good and wonderful, people. So big and brown here. Oh my God, look at those people. They look so good, so amazing. Yes, people, you need to try this out. Yes, people, nice and good and wonderful. Until next time, like, comment, share, and most definitely follow on this video if you want awesome video like this. Until next time, people, I'm out of here and go ahead and check out my YouTube channel to see any more awesome videos.